This latest release of DecoNetwork enhances the campaign feature to now allow adding multiple products when creating the campaign. Starting a campaign works just as it did before. You'll start by selecting an item to get started with. Next, you can go ahead and add the desired decorations onto the product and size and place them just where you want them. Clicking Next to proceed to the next step. Here on step 3, in addition to setting the sales price of your products and the sales goal for your campaign site, you now have the ability to add another product, which will allow you to repeat steps 1 and 2 to add additional items. You can go ahead and select the item you want to choose, and just as before, add the desired decorations onto it, sizing and placing them just where you want them, and proceeding to the next step. Once you're done adding items to your campaign, you can go ahead and proceed to the next steps to launch the site. Jumping over to the campaign management screen, you'll see a breakdown of how many of each product you've sold and how it contributes to your overall sales goal. Finally, on the front-end campaign site itself, your customers will see the option to switch between available products right above the product description. Clicking the next item over will take them directly there where they can select the desired color, sizes, and add the item to the cart. We hope this functionality will open up additional opportunities for you and your store owners.